Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Avvo for real estate attorney referrals, beginner guide step by step clearly. Connect with Avvo by visiting their website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email through the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new Avvo account. Navigate to the For Attorneys section on the home page. Explore the resources available for connecting with clients. Select the option for referrals to understand the process better. Understand the guidelines and eligibility requirements for attorney referrals. Create a detailed profile that highlights your experience in real estate law. Include your areas of expertise, such as residential or commercial real estate. Add a professional photo to increase credibility and engagement. Set up your availability for consultations and client meetings. Familiarize yourself with the Avvo Q&A section to answer potential client inquiries. Respond to questions related to real estate law, showcasing your knowledge. Monitor your profile analytics to track engagement and referrals. Stay active on the platform by updating your profile and responding to client needs. Consider participating in Avvo seminars or webinars to enhance your visibility. Check for any available marketing tools provided by Avvo. Engage with satisfied clients for reviews and testimonials on your profile. Build relationships with other professionals in the real estate field through Avvo. Stay informed about legal trends and developments in real estate law. Review Avvo's terms of service regularly to ensure compliance. Utilize Avvo's social media channels to promote your services and connect with a broader audience. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and analytics for ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.